There is a small container that fits in the small container like that. It's only 1 7/16 inch high, about 12 inches long. It fits inside this area here, and the parts are quite small. They're thin. They're just a little more than 3/16 thin. I've started to work on the dovetails here. The original piece had miter joints at the top of the dovetail joints, so I've tried to replicate what was done originally. And these little end pieces, I made a little template, marked it out, and then sawed it with a very small saw. And then I'm right now chopping out here, and then that part is matched up with this end here, and then I have to chop out the pins that are on the side pieces. So let me just show you how this. Let me pick one here that is, yeah. Here's the end piece for this side. Front, it's the front part, and this pushes in, creates a little miter joint here, and then the dovetails looking like that. There'll be a bottom then that fastens onto the base. So I'm working on the other little end piece here, and the first thing I do, well, I've cut the miter joint up here at the top, and I've penciled out the areas that have to be removed. I've got every size of small chisel. I need them all, it seems, to knock out this waste. I start with just taking a little piece out of the back side to that groove. Then I need a 1/8 inch chisel, and oh, here it is. This part right here is smaller. Then I can chop down, not very hard, and then I can chop down on these. Then I take a little divot out need that 1/8. Then I can come down just a little bit, not very hard. I'm leaving a flat back here so that when I turn this over, it has these end pieces, these removed pieces have a backing of the top of the bench. So now I can remove all the waste here. Let me take a little piece back to that cut line. I think that's a 5/16 will work here. Barely. And then I need an 1/8 right here. I may come down again. Doesn't take much. And I'm going to use a 5/16. Yeah. Okay, that's gone, that's gone. Now, this is also gone. So now I just put it up on a vise and clean it up here a little bit. And then I can use this to mark out the back or the front piece.